Bad man walking.
I'm an American badass. Watch me kick. You can roll with rocks. Gonna some after I rock this place. Super fly, living double wide. Sidecar my glide so Joe C can ride. Full sack to share, bringing flash and flare. Got the long hair, swinging middle finger in the air. Snakeskin suit, 65 Chevelle. See me ride and sit, hear the rebel yell. I won't live to tell. So if you do.
Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Brandon, the owner, founder, and CEO of Badass Championship Wrestling. And ladies and gentlemen, I've been dying to say this ever since I won. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Brandon, the owner, founder, and CEO of Badass Wrestling Entertainment. Yes, that's right, you heard me correctly. If you didn't watch last week's Lightning, you missed the best Lightning in the history of Badass Wrestling Entertainment. The best match in the history of Badass Wrestling Entertainment. Long story short, I was the general manager of Lightning because I won the Rock and Rumble match. And I made the stipulation, Brandon versus Jacob, winner becomes owner of Badass Wrestling Entertainment. And you just heard it, I won. Now, should I fire Jacob? Should I fire Jacob? Because he fired me last time on December 21st, 2012 at the end of the world. No, I'm not going to fire Jacob. The reason for that is because he actually did a pretty damn good job on running Badass Wrestling Entertainment. He actually did damn good. Just about as good as me. I never thought I'd say this, but Jacob, you are not fired. You are not fired. Jacob gave it everything he had last Saturday. I gave it everything I had. But I was just a better man on Lightning last Saturday. And I won. The best match of my career, the best match of Jacob's career. Best match ever in Badass Wrestling Entertainment. Now, tonight, Jacob has some unfinished business to deal with. Not with me. Surprisingly, not with me. But it's someone that he came into the Rock and Rumble as. His name is Batman. Everybody knew that watched Rock and Rumble that was not the original Batman that was in Badass Wrestling Entertainment before. Everyone clearly saw that it was Jacob that was Batman. I don't know why he was masked as Batman and came into the Rock and Rumble match third as Batman. He could have called Batman, because I never had Batman on my BCW roster. So hell, he could have called Batman, but he never did. And Batman tweeted me, he said he wants to kick Jacob's ass for coming into the Rock and Rumble without his permission, masked as Batman. So he wants to kick his ass. So ladies and gentlemen, tonight's main event will be Batman versus Jacob. And for some BCW news, Evolution is no longer going to be called Evolution. It's going to be called Thunder. So it's going to be called Badass Wrestling Entertainment Lightning and Badass Championship Wrestling Thunder. And Thunder will be on Thursday nights. Thursday nights. 7:30. So it's Lightning and Thunder. It's a hell of a lot easier to remember too. 7:30. Thursday night Thunder. Saturday night Lightning. Ladies and gentlemen, Tony Blaze has an announcement to make up next. So ladies and gentlemen, y'all get ready for Tony Blaze. Thank y'all. I'll see y'all this Thursday on Thursday Night Thunder. Thank you. See y'all this Thursday.
Bad man walking.
I'm an American badass. Watch me kick. You can roll with rocks. Gonna some after I rock this place. Super fly, living double wide. Sidecar my glide.
I am a real American. Fight for the rights of every man.
y'all know, this Thursday, on Thursday Night Thunder, I'll be facing BWE champion Danny Cool in a BCW wrestling ring. So Danny Cool, what you gonna do when Tony Blaze runs wild on you, brother? See you this Thursday on Thursday Night Thunder.
Trying to make a quick escape out the gamer. It's a shaver, they don't want me to get paper. But since you can never stop it, I keep filling up my wallet. While your lady keep on jacking, got me in your system. I be riding 24 with them bad man though. I be riding 24